Here are the nutritional facts about mangoes along with their health benefits. The best part is yet to come. Stay tuned till the very end. Nutritional facts. Mangoes are relatively low in calories. A medium-sized mango, approximately 150 grams, contains about 150 calories. They are rich in carbohydrates, with a medium-sized mango providing around 40 grams. Mangoes are low in fat, with less than 1 gram of fat per medium-sized fruit. They are a good source of dietary fiber, providing approximately 3 grams per medium-sized mango. Mangoes are high in vitamin C, offering up to 70 milligrams per medium-sized fruit. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin A, contributing to eye health, and vitamin E, acting as an antioxidant. Mangoes provide various minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and copper. Health benefits. Immune support. The high vitamin C content in mangoes helps strengthen the immune system, promoting a healthy immune response and protecting against infections. Digestive health. Mangoes are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut. Eye health. The vitamin A content in mangoes is beneficial for maintaining good vision, supporting overall eye health, and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Skin health. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and promote a healthy complexion. Heart health. Mangoes contain dietary fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to heart health. The fiber helps control cholesterol levels, while potassium supports healthy blood pressure. Weight management. Despite being sweet, mangoes can be included in a weight management plan due to their relatively low calorie and high fiber content, providing a feeling of fullness. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants in mangoes, such as vitamin C and other phytochemicals, help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Hydration. Mangoes have high water content, aiding in hydration and supporting overall bodily functions. Incorporating mangoes into a balanced diet can provide these health benefits, while offering a delicious and tropical fruit experience. Enjoy mangoes as part of a diverse range of fruits and vegetables for optimal nutrition.